Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Virgin Media router. First, carefully unbox your new router and ensure all components, like the power adapter and coaxial cable, are present. Next, locate the white coaxial cable and securely connect one end to your wall socket and the other to the corresponding port on the back of your router. Finally, plug in the power adapter and switch on the router, waiting for the lights to stabilize. Once your router is powered on and stable, you can start connecting your devices. For the most reliable connection, use an Ethernet cable to directly link your computer or gaming console to one of the yellow ports on the router. For wireless devices, locate the Wi-Fi network name and password printed on the sticker, usually found on the bottom or side of your router. Use these details to connect your phones, tablets, and other wireless gadgets. To get the best performance from your Virgin Media router, placement is key. Position it in a central, open area of your home, away from obstructions. Try to avoid placing it near large metal objects, thick walls, or other electronics like microwaves, which can interfere with the signal. If you have a larger home or notice weak spots, a Wi-Fi booster or extender can help broaden your network's reach and improve coverage. If you encounter any internet issues, a simple restart of your router can often resolve them. Just unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure and properly seated. For more persistent problems, Virgin Media's support resources are always available to help. And hey, for staying refreshed throughout your day, check out the Oala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.